Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to see that how to create a screen that will call the second screen, as well as how to pass values from one screen to second screen. This is basically similar as you are passing values through URL from one platform to other platform, or you can either say that one screen to another screen. So as you see here, this is the home screen, and inside I'm just pressing on the open second screen, and it shows me the second screen, and it is basically redirect me to second screen. And if I write something like V and just press on the third screen, and it will redirect to the third screen, as well as it showing the value as I give the input in the text field. So it's showing the value on the third screen, as it is showing us V as it is shown here. So I just write here Pakistan, and as you see, it is receiving that value that I will enter in my text field, and now it is showing in the third screen. So how to create this? To understand, we just go our code section, and inside I just remove all the default calculator app, counter app. So here is the first is the main.dart. So inside this here is the I just first import, and this is basically help us to improve the standard UI tool for Flutter. And the second I also import home.dart. In previous video you can see we didn't import any home.dart, but inside I will show you the purpose and why, and I will show you how and why we call this home.dart. Basically it imports the files from the home screen. So inside this there is a void main, as you see here, void main run my app. This is the starting point that basically launch the root widget, that is my app. And below here is the class, that is my app, and we define the root of our application here. And in previous video, as I already explained, override basically help us to link with the class. So this is the most important line in this file, as it tells the app why you start don't build we don't build our UI here. We build our UI in the home.dart. So we just go to the home.dart, and here you see again material.dart, and the here most important thing that I import two more screens, that is the second screen and the third screen. And basically we need to import the second screen, so our home.dart basically our home page, now that there are also two more page exist that I named as second screen and the third screen. So as again override, and inside there is the final text controller, my email. Basically this is our controller, and it watches the text box, so we can grab the text inputs that is given in the text field, and then we use this input to pass to the third screen, and the output is shown on the third screen. So here below our app bar name is home screen. So here you can see there this is shown home screen, so I just title this as home screen. Again our controller, that is my app, my email, and there is a builder section that build. Basically this tells the navigation and navigator specifically like which class to open, and it open the second screen with no extra data. And below And here below you can see that there is the elevated button, and when it is pressed, this is again we use Navigator.push, and this is the you can think like as href href as we use in our HTML. So it pushes a new screen on top of current one. So basically it is uses to uh, go to the second screen. As you can see there, this is the page API and a widget that manage the child widget with the stack discipline. So in the builder section, we just this passes our email input that is basically in text form to the third screen, and on click this will open the third screen. So when we go to the second screen, here you see again for Flutter tools we import Flutter materials, and again this is the class we defined, and its title uh, I mean named as a second screen. Basically this help us to understand we are on the right place. So as you see here, open second screen, so it is shown on the top, that is the second screen, and also shows the text widget, that is this is the second screen as you see here in output. So in the third screen, uh, again we import material.dart, and this is the class defined, that is a stateless widget. Basically this is stateless because the input that is given to us will change, and this is the screen that will cause the data that it will throw from the home.dart. So this is cause, and here you can see that final our string email and our final string email. So this is the variable we declare. This is act as an empty bucket that will waiting for data coming from the home.dart, and this is the constructor that ensure that when we are going to the third screen, that it will go to the third screen uh, after catching the data that is given from the home.dart. So basically if I write Pakistan in home.dart text field, so before it shows the third screen, it will get the information, get the text that is right Pakistan, then it will show our show us to the third screen uh, as I write Pakistan here. So before going to show us third screen, it will get data from the home.dart, and then in the app bar section I again named the third screen. This basically help us that we recognize that we are on the right place, and inside we are receiving email by creating a new email variable, and this will this will store and show the data that we received from email as on the home.dart. So this basically act as uh, a screen that shows the output that are given from the home.dart. So you can think like a mailing a letter. So home.dart basically act as a uh, as a writer that writes the letter and put in the envelope, that is our navigator. In navigator section, the data is gone to the third screen. Then third screen it is received through our constructor. So the letter that is written by home.dart and it is sended through navigator is received by the third screen section. Though, so this is how we create a screen that will send data to the second screen, or we can create a redirection in Flutter from one screen to another screen. So thank you. I hope you